Hey, what's up, y'all? This is Charlie. On today's episode, I'm going to be showing y'all how to make my delicious New Orleans style crawfish fried rice. Look at how good that looks. This recipe, you can get about 4 to 6 servings. It's a different take on fried rice, except it's made with crawfish. A little hint of spiciness to it. Absolutely delicious. So without further ado, let's get started. Alright, here's all you'll need to make your New Orleans style crawfish fried rice. Let's get started with our ingredients. You'll need 1 pound of Louisiana crawfish tail meat, and along with that you will need day-old cooked rice. Now this is long grain rice that I'm using. You will also need 2 large eggs, vegetable or canola oil, sesame seed oil, and for our seasonings you will need some green onions, garlic, salt, black pepper, Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning. Now if you don't have this, you can use the Zatarain's Creole seasoning or the Slappy Mama Cajun seasoning. These next 2 ingredients are optional: crushed red pepper and cayenne pepper. If you don't like a lot of spice in your food, then you can omit these 2 ingredients from the recipe. You will also need some ground ginger and some soy sauce. And there we have it. Alright, let's get straight to it. I'm going to get started by chopping up 6 to 8 ounces in weight of green onions. And I'm also going to chop the ends to the green onions as well. Here I have 1 large clove of garlic. I cut it in half. Here I have a garlic press, and I'm going to press the garlic. And there we go. Preheat your fire to medium-high heat. Alright, let's get started with cooking our fried rice. So in this large saucepan, I let it get hot for 2 minutes. Add 1 1/2 tablespoons of vegetable or canola oil. Spread the oil around the saucepan. Let this get hot for 30 seconds. Add 2 large eggs. Make sure that they are at room temperature. I'm going to take a wooden spatula and stir the eggs continuously for 20 seconds. Add 2/3 cup of chopped green onion ends and the 1 clove of pressed garlic. Give this a quick stir. Let this saute for 1 minute. Add your crawfish tails, and that's 1 pound of course. Let's add some seasoning. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, a 1/2 teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Remember, the red pepper flakes and cayenne pepper is optional. And 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. Stir all your ingredients together. Let this saute for 2 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add 4 1/2 cups of cooked rice. Stir all your ingredients together. Make sure you stir this really well. Add 1 1/2 tablespoons of sesame seed oil, 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, and 1/3 cup of chopped green onions. Stir all your ingredients together. And from there, our crawfish fried rice is now done. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn my fire off. Let this cool for 15 minutes before serving. And for best results, serve this the very next day so that way the flavors can settle and increase overnight. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. New Orleans style spicy crawfish fried rice, made by a New Orleans native. You can find this recipe along with all of my other recipes. Go to www.charliethecookandrews.com. I'm also on Facebook, Instagram, and on Twitter under the name Charlie the Cook Andrews. Now I'm going to go ahead and try this. Oh yeah. Oh. Yeah. It's a very unique flavor. You can taste the flavor of the crawfish It's well seasoned, and it also has a little kick to it from the spices that we added into it. And of course, that's optional just in case if you don't want to add it in there. But overall, this is a wonderful, flavorful, different, and delicious fried rice that you can try, especially around crawfish season. So give it a try. Anyways, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, have a good one. Peace.